Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your headphones Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. You have to start by open Realme application. Now scroll down and click on button settings. And right here I recommended to put voice assistant on your double tap for left earbud and leave play and pause for your right earbud. But you can choose the best one for you, of course. You have just 4 options: play, pause, next track, voice assistance and nothing. For a triple tap I recommended to play previous track, but you can also put volume down if you like it more. And for the right one I recommended to play next track. Here we go. Now for touch and hold I recommended to leave on the left earbud switch noise controls, and for the right one turn on game mode if you play games on your mobile phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.